Hey everybody, it's George Gomez at Stern Pinball, and we're here today in a galaxy not far away to launch you into the legendary Star Wars universe with our latest game, Star Wars: Fall of the Empire. With its debut in 1977, Star Wars redefined pop culture and remains one of the most iconic and influential themes of all time. We're excited to bring Star Wars to a new generation of pinball players, taking them on an epic adventure to relive key parts of the Skywalker saga and save the galaxy once and for all. Fueled by our brand new Spike 3 technology, Stern Pinball Star Wars: Fall of the Empire will have players returning to the story that started it all. Players will experience timeless Star Wars moments through a pinball adventure like none other. This next generation of Spike 3 technology features a robust enhanced CPU, allowing us to seamlessly integrate high-quality film assets and custom animations that really highlight our new, larger, full HD display. Game assets, including John Williams' iconic Star Wars score, sound amazing on our all-new audio system. And this is just the beginning of the Spike 3 platform. Over the course of the next year, you'll see an array of additional Spike 3 platform features that will continue to enhance performance and usability. In addition to the new technology, the game also highlights vibrant hand-drawn artwork. And now, I'll hand it over to legendary game designer John Borg to take you through all of the exciting features in Star Wars: Fall of the Empire.
May the Force be with you!
Hi everybody, I'm lead game designer John Borg, here to show you everything in our latest game, Star Wars: Fall of the Empire. Players can take down the AT-AT by attaching their snowspeeder's tow cable and shooting the spiral ramp to send it crashing down, mirroring the breathtaking scene from The Empire Strikes Back. Destroy the rebuilt Death Star 2 by lowering the shields. Dismantle the battle stations during Death Star Multiball in order to save the galaxy. Escape from Cloud City aboard the Millennium Falcon's hyperdrive by hitting the center jump ramp to escape to hyperspace. Take down the Salacious Crumb drop target to access the Sarlacc Pit. Defeat TIE fighters. Battle stormtroopers. And play through your favorite character modes and missions. Use the Jedi ball save to save your ball on your journey to defeat the Empire.
The Force is with us after all. Oh dear, pinballs are everywhere!
Through the power of Insider Connected, players can explore and connect to the galaxy on a pinball adventure of a lifetime. Whether you're a Padawan or a Jedi Master, Star Wars: Fall of the Empire is available in Pro, Premium, and Limited Edition models. Relive the legend, rewrite the fate of the galaxy. This is more than pinball. This is Star Wars: Fall of the Empire. Available now at sternpinball.com.